Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am way behind on unboxing this. I have literally had it in the box for weeks now and I don't know what I've been waiting on really. I just wanted to make it really special because I thought I found a unicorn. But I went to Bvlgari to order another bag and they were like, "Oh my gosh, have you been loving the bag that you got?" And I was like, yeah, but I totally haven't even taken it out of the box. I've been scared. I think it's because I'm scared to touch it because the leather is just so soft and the color is so light that I am terrified. But it's gotta happen, right? Because we don't spend the money just to look at it. So here it is. This is my first purchase from Bvlgari. Gorgeous packaging. I think this is my favorite packaging just because this color is stunning. And I had the most amazing SA Eugen. She's just precious. I want to put her in my pocket. But I'm going to unbox this really quickly, go over the product, and then I'm going to tell you a story time if you want to stay. We're going to unbox her. And like I said, I have not opened this box in weeks. I kind of forgot what it looked like because I didn't even get to try it on in the store because they're so careful with like how you touch things in there. So I really just looked at it. Here we go. Of course, this is the dust bag. Wow, you can see how little the bag is. Which, like, I honestly don't remember it being that little, but that's okay, I guess. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Okay, but anyway, here's the dust bag. You can see it has Bvlgari, very light. It's a nice suede bag. Okay. And there she is. This is the back, so it has Bvlgari. And then we flip her over, and here is the art. This is the Serpentine Clutch. It's in smooth calf leather. The color is Moonbeam Pearl, which I think is the perfect description for this beautiful light gray. And it is in light gold hardware. And when it says light gold, it's referring to the serpentine here because you can see that this is the only light gold and then it is actually a silver hardware. I didn't even remember the serpentine being gold. I was like, yay, I get a silver one, and then I purchased another one that is definitely gold. So one more look at the beautiful serpent, and they always have red eyes. I don't know if you've ever noticed, but okay, so let's open her up because the inside is just as beautiful as the outside actually. So to open it, you click down, you hear a little click, and she opens up, and look at this gorgeous color. So the camera is making it look a little red, but it is actually like the deepest fuchsia color you've ever seen. It looks so luxurious and soft. The inside is actually Napa leather. Mine is in the color Jazzy Tourmaline. Of course, you see the Bvlgari, made in Italy right here. And then I'll take the strap out. We'll give her one more look inside. It is a clutch, so it is essentially a very expensive fancy pouch. I think my phone will barely fit. You'll have to finagle it in there. It can be a clutch or it comes with a strap. The strap is also in the light gold hardware. It's not quite silver, it is a little yellow. But you can see it has the Bvlgari emblem on it. And then you just press this down to open up. And this is how crafty this bag is. And so it is a perfect clutch. Like, there is no place to have the shoulder straps on the outside, okay? But what you have to do is you open it up and then you flip these and they fit. Like, how beautiful, and just that is artistry right there. So then you clip them on the top. Here we go. And now you have a shoulder bag. So let's see, now that we have the straps on, how does it look like if we open up the bag? So we press it up, we open it. That is gonna be a little clunky where, see, it already like got in the way of me closing it, but you are just gonna have to pull it back up before you close it. I'll show you a few mod shots while I do a little story time if you wanna stay. I actually went to the store because I wanted to see the Serpentine tote that is new in season. That's what got me onto Bvlgari in the first place. I wanted to see the white versus the black because the black, of course, will go with everything. I'm looking for a capsule black bag. However, the white is on Selfridges.com for like $800 cheaper. So it was like, man, it would be really convenient if I wanted the white one. But it does look like an off-white, And I'm just a little concerned on buying an off-white leather purse because my clothes are mostly like black or beige, and so I'm not sure that an off-white will match either. And I just don't know how it styles with other things, because to be honest, I've just never had an off-white. Like, I feel like it's really hard to style. I wanted to go see both in person, and of course they were out of stock of either. They just had this beautiful gold bedazzled tote. I will show you a picture here, but that is all they had, so at least I could see the sizing. She was afraid that the glove would get snagged on the Serpentine, so I didn't even get to touch it. So you can see my hand is beside it just so I can see, like, okay, will my phone fit? And anyway, so then she told me that I do have the option to order it, and there were only 5 left in the whole United States that she could order and get sent to the store. I would have to prepay, and then I could wear the bag, try it on, that if I want to keep it, fine. If I don't, then I would get a full refund. I thought about that. I wanted to sleep on it because I was honestly hoping that Selfridges would come back in stock with the black option. But of course, I never got that notification. But when I was walking out, I did see this bag sitting on the counter, and the gray was so gorgeous. Now, I will say that their fancy, like, beautiful lighting made it look even more delicious, but it was sitting on the counter, and I was like, wait, what is that? And anyway, I don't know, it was just such a special color. I just, you don't see a gray very often, and so it was in the back of my mind, okay? I was like, oh, that's gonna be my next one after the tote, right? And then, of course, she takes me around, we try on some jewelry, try on some watches, I'll put in what shots I do have. It was crazy to have like $30,000 worth of diamonds on you at a time. I left. I was trying to look up on the website so that I could, of course, stock this item as my new wish list item, because I was fully like intending on getting the tote, on ordering it. I just didn't want to pull the trigger that day because I had just bought the Dior saddlebags. I couldn't find it on the website anywhere. All I could find was this like really large tote, and it didn't even have the hardware Serpentine. It just had more leather in the Serpentine shape. And it was like a big bag, not a mini bag or a clutch like this. So I messaged my SAU Jen, and I was like, wait, why is this bag not showing up? And then she showed me, she sent back the screenshots that she has on her end from her system, and it said that it was like the only one left and that it was discontinued, or it wasn't in production, I guess is a better way of saying it correctly, because I don't know that they will never make any more. But right now, the screenshot she sent me said out of production. So I was like, oh my god, are they really like not making those? Because on the website they do have this model, but they only have like maybe pink, green, and white. I don't know, don't quote me on that. Not this color. I couldn't even find this color online. I kind of freaked out a little bit. The collector in me was screaming, and I was like, oh my god, I gotta get this bag. And so I will say the scarcity of this particular bag probably suckered me into buying this, but I did it. And now we have her, and I am happy, but it did get in the way of me getting my Serpentine tote, because obviously I didn't want to get a saddlebag and 2 Bvlgari bags in 1 week. That's a little intimidating. I'm not even gonna take the protection off of the Serpentine until I like actually go wear this out, but she is beautiful and I love her, and she will be my only gray bag for forever, most likely. And one more piece, just randomly to throw at the end. I did just get back from a business trip, and as you'll see in my vlog, I did do a little shopping in the duty free. I wanted to get 2 different lipsticks from YSL, but they were out of one. So I'm just gonna try this one on with you for fun, because I didn't know where else to fit this. The Slim Leather Matte Lipstick from YSL. It's shade 21. I have not worn red lipstick since my professional cheer days, so we're gonna see how this goes. I don't like myself with red lipstick, honestly, but for another bag that I bought, I did want to do a styling video where it just warrants red lipstick. So I got this to play with it. The top is matte and beautiful gold, and it has Yves Saint Laurent written out all the way. It is gorgeous. So we're gonna see. Wow, look at this. I'm actually just gonna use you guys as a mirror. Oh, I'm terrified because first of all, it's gorgeous. I'm about to mess it up. I seriously, you guys, don't laugh at me because I'm gonna look like a clown. Oh God. I just feel like, oh no, this is so not me. But it'll be fun to play dress up with it for my styling videos, but this is so not me. Okay, maybe I'm feeling myself a little bit. It's not that bad now. Ooh, I like it. Okay. All that and it didn't even get on my teeth. Okay, I'm kind of here for it. Just kidding. Alright, well that is all that I have for you guys. We have another Bvlgari unboxing coming soon, but I hope you love her. I hope you think she's special. Comment below if you know of any other gray bags, because I do love me some gray, but I just thought she was a unicorn. So comment and let me know what gray beauties you have or have seen, or if I'm special.